Hey, so what if I have a mixed decimal? What if I have 3 and 2/10 divided by 5? Now, one way to think of decimals is money. $3.20, 3 and 20 hundredths is the same as 3 and 2/10. And if I wanted to share that with 5 friends, I don't know exactly how much they'd get yet, but I know they're getting less than $1, right? Because I don't even have $5, so if I start sharing my $3.20, they're going to get some change. They're going to get less than $1. As usual, you should grab a piece of paper and work along with me. You are watching this video to get better at your math, and you get better at math by actually doing the math. So don't just watch, grab some paper, work along with me. Just to get it clear in my mind, I'm going to draw a picture. I'm going to draw 3 and 20 hundredths. So I'll say one full box. That's a whole, or $1. There's 2 and 3. So I've got, there's my $3, my 3 wholes, and then I've got my 20 hundredths or 2/10. That'd be 2 more of these, right? So here's my 2/10 or my 20 hundredths, and here are my 3 wholes. And I'm going to divide it into 5 equal pieces. My 5 friends, they each want some of my money. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. 5 equal pieces. Before we count that up, let's go ahead and let's do the big 7. Let's see what we get if we do it that way, because you can't always draw a picture, but it's nice when the picture works out like this one did. So I've got 3. Try that 3 again. 3 and 2/10 or 3 and 20 hundredths, and I'm dividing by 5. How many 5? How many 5s are there? Or if I break it into 5 pieces, how much does everybody get? So I know I can't do 1, because if they all get $1, that's more money than I have. So let's try something like, so I look at this 3 and 2/10 and think 32, and I think 5 times 6 is 30. So I'm thinking a 6 out here. So 5 times 6 is 30, but I don't really want 30, I want 3. So if I move this decimal here 6/10, now I have 30/10 or 3. So I'll make this be 6/10. Now I've just got 20 cents left. 20 cents. 5 into 20 cents. I know 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 4 is 20, but it's not 20 I want. It's not even 2 I want. It's 2. It's 20 hundredths. So I need to figure out how I can move this 2 places. And the way to move that 2 places is to make that 4 be a hundredths. So 4 hundredths times 5 is 20. If you had 4 cents, 5 piles of 4 cents, you'd have 20 cents. And that takes care of all of it. So I've got 6/10, 4 hundredths. Altogether that is 64 hundredths. 64 hundredths. Let's see if my picture works out. So this here is 2 strips, so that must be 2/10. Here's another 2 strips, so 2/10. Another 2 strips, another 2/10. So 2, 4, 6/10, and it looks like this is 4 hundredths. So guess what that equals? 64 hundredths. Each of my friends will get 64 cents. They're not getting rich off of me today. I should always check this out. I should make sure that I've got all this going, and it's usually easier to multiply, so whenever you divide with the decimal, check it by multiplying. So I think my answer is 64 cents, 64 hundredths. I'm going to multiply it by 5. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 6 is 30. Add that 2. That makes 32. I've got hundredths up there, 2 places over. I'm going to move this 2 places over. 3 and 20 hundredths, which is equal to 3 and 2 tenths, which is what we started with. So 3 and 2 tenths divided by 5 equals 64 hundredths. Nice job. Keep working.